Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice bucket assembly in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice bucket assembly. The ice bucket assembly is located at the top of the freezer compartment under the ice maker. It collects the ice cubes that drop by the ice maker and dispenses it on demand. The main reason to replace the ice bucket assembly is if it cracks or the metal parts gets corroded. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. To remove the ice bucket assembly, we need to lift up the front end and pull it out. This is the old ice bucket assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Before installing the new ice bucket assembly, I would like to bring your attention to the position of the auger in the old and the new ice bucket assembly. They have to match. As you can see, this one is looking this way and the new one is not quite matching. So turn the auger so it would be matching the position of the old one. Now we can install it into the fridge. All right, let's slide the new ice bucket assembly in. We're going to put the top like that, and there are side rails that we need to insert into and then push it all the way back. And now we can close the freezer door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.